the space of the lady or woman in the world. How do you look at it? Is it getting larger or is it reducing by the day?
Their position?
Yeah.
And you see, what is the population ratio of women and men?
The women are many.
Women are more than the men. Yes? Almost 49%. Right? Despite that, all those countries, those who claim themselves to be very modern countries, and they are almost always speaking of the rights of the women, their head of states are not women, despite the fact that the number of the women is more. Not only that, even in the parliament, you would see 90% of the member of parliaments are, even in the developed countries, are from among men. So, see, they're although they raise slogans that women should have rights and this and that, but they are actually not practically going according to their claim. But in Islam says that there's a distribution of labor. Men have these duties, women have these duties. Women should take care of their houses. But at the same time, they should be well educated. This is why among Ahmadis, our ladies are more educated than men. The literacy rate of women, Ahmadi women, is more than the men, because they are going to raise up the next generation who is going to work for their nation. So, if generations are trained well, they can help you. You see, you were asking that how can we reform? If our women are educated and they raise their children in a way that infuse honesty in them, and let them understand the importance of honesty and the service and sincerity towards their nation, how can this serve their country, how important is the service to the nation, then at least the next generation can bring some reforms and improve your country. Otherwise, with this present generation and the present set of mind of our leaders, we cannot reform. And you cannot say that your countries can ever develop or can get better. So in Islam, women have the rights of inheritance. Women have the right to get education. If they are capable and have fertile brain, they can become a doctor, engineer, or any of the profession. But at the same time, their duty is to run their household, to take care of their children, so that next generation is brought up in a better way.